Top 10 Tips from Warren Buffett to Become a Millionaire. Warren Buffett is arguably the best-known, most respected investor of all time. Buffett is also known for his folksy charm and his memorable quotes about the art of investing. Besides owning trains, BNSF railway, planes, net jets, and automobiles, Warren Buffett also wholly owns a controlled huge stakes in food, Heinz, restaurants, Dairy Queen, beverages, Coca-Cola, banking, Wells Fargo, insurance, Geico, furniture, Nebraska Furniture Mart, real estate, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, building, Benjamin Moore, and clothing, Fruit of the Blame companies, to name just a few. At the center of all these acquisitions is an enduring Warren Buffett investment strategy that is well worth knowing and applying to your own wealth-building goals. While his investment strategy comprises many values and principles that have been honed over the years, my bank tracker has collected what it feels are the top 10 tips from Warren Buffett to become a millionaire. Number 10. View money as a long-term game. Buffett once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." And it is true. Planting and nurturing the seeds of financial success now will lead to shade to enjoy later in life. That shade might include freedom from debts, a secure retirement, or the ability to cover the cost of college for your children. Such a long-term view of money is central to Buffett's investing decisions. In his 2014 letter to shareholders, he said people should invest with a multi-decade horizon. Their focus should remain fixed on attaining significant gains in purchasing power over their investing lifetime. He urged investors not to focus on moment of stock market volatility or economic crisis. Building true wealth and financial security takes time, and you will likely encounter financial challenges along the way. But viewing your finances as a lifelong endeavor can help you stay on course despite hardships. That gives you a financial foundation that will last. Number 9. Know what success really means. Despite his wealth, Buffett does not measure success by dollars. In 2006, he pledged to give away almost his entire fortune to charities, primarily the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He's adamant about not founding monuments to himself, no Warren Buffett buildings or halls. When you get to my age, you'll measure your success in life by how many of the people you want to have love you actually do love you. That's the ultimate test of how you have lived your life. Enough said. There are no rich people in the cemetery. A person who is wealthy in friends and relationships can be richer than the person with the most money in the world. Number 8. Trust a low-cost index fund for your portfolio. While much of Buffett's wisdom and advice borders on the philosophical, he also provided some actionable tips that nearly anyone can apply. For instance, Buffett urges the average investor to purchase index funds, put 10% of the cash in short-term government bonds and 90% in very low-cost S&P 500 index fund. He wrote in his 2013 letter to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders, Buffett has given this advice for years. If you invested in a very low-cost index fund, where you don't put the money in at one time, but average in over 10 years, you'll do better than 90% of people who start investing at the same time, Buffett said at the 2004 Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting. Number 7. Learn about money. Part of investing in yourself should be learning more about managing money. As an investor, much of Buffett's job consists of limiting exposure and minimizing risk, and risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Buffett once said, according to Forbes, the more you know about personal finance, the more security you'll have as you minimize risks. The lesson from this Buffett quote is not to actively educate yourself about personal finance. As Charlie Munger, Buffett's partner, put it, go to bed smarter than when you woke up. Number 6. At 84, Buffett still takes a long-term investment horizons as if he's going to live another 50 years. We don't get paid for activity, just for being right. Buffett said, as long as we'll wait indefinitely. He said, Buffett's partner Munger seconds that investment philosophy. There are worse situations than drowning in cash and sitting. He said, I remember when I was in aviation cash, and I don't want to go back. As an illustration of this philosophy, Buffett first invested in Coca-Cola in 1988. Since that investment, he has never sold a share. Similarly, Buffett also has maintained his sizable stake in American Express, through severe market downturns only to see the stock rebound with the vengeance. If you are looking for the quick score or flip, you are the anti-Buffett. Even now, Buffett said, Charlie and I continue to believe that short-term market forecasts are poison and should be kept locked up in a safe place, away from children and also from grown-ups who behave in the market like children. Number 5. Bounce back from rejection. Ironically, Harvard Business School rejected Buffett after his interview, but instead of sulking, he headed to Columbia and met Benjamin Graham. Graham is a legend in investment industry, and he became Buffett's mentor. Much of Buffett's incredible investing success could arguably be credited to Graham and lessons he taught him. Turn down. Who cares? Keep going. It happens all the time, said Tom Scusimera, National Sales Manager and M&O Marketing. You can't take it personally, and you can't let it push you off the course of your dreams. Even you get rejected from a school or job opportunity, it is important to keep moving forward. If Buffett had quit after Harvard dismissed him, he wouldn't be where he is today. Number 4. Graduate college early. Because of Buffett's sharp mind for business, it is no surprise that he managed to finish college in 3 years, 2 at the Wharton School of Business and 1 at the University of Nebraska. According to the book Icon of Business, although college costs weren't nearly as high in Buffett's day as they are today, it is likely that he saved money by completing his education in 3 years instead of 4. Today's college students can save by following his lead. For the 2016-2017 school year, the College Board estimated that the average cost of tuition at a private college was $33,480. If you attended a state school as a resident, you spend $9,650 per year. However, graduating early could save you even more when you factor in the cost of student loan interest paid out over the next 25 years. Spell out the deal before you start. Your bargaining leverage is always greatest before you begin a job. That's when you have something to offer that the other party wants. Buffett learned this lesson the hard way as a kid when his grandfather Ernest hired him and a friend to dig out the family grocery store after a blizzard. The boys spent 5 hours shoveling until they could barely straighten their frozen hands. Afterward, his grandfather gave the pair less than 90 cents to split. Warren Buffett does not negotiate. He is very straightforward with the price he is willing to pay to acquire a company. But he will not go back and forth in an attempt to split the difference. His deals are take it or leave it, but he is able to get them done because he always offers a reasonably fair price. Number 2. Get high value at a low price. In the 2008 Berkshire Hathaway shareholder letter, Buffett shared another key principle: price is what you pay, value is what you get. Losing money can happen when you pay a price that doesn't match the value you get, such as when you pay high interest on credit card debt or spend on items you'll rarely use. Instead, live modestly like Buffett by looking for opportunities to get more value at a lower price. Whether we are talking about socks or stocks, I like buying quality merchandise when it is marked down, Buffett wrote. Number 1. Decide that you're going to be rich. In order to be rich, you have to believe that one day you'll be rich. According to the Huffington Post, Buffett once reportedly said, I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute. For best results, set high expectations for yourself and work towards your goals and aspirations. Then make it clear to yourself, your family and friends that you have commitment to become financially independent, said Randall Dolph Janis, an insurance agent at Clear Income Strategies Group. Create your future with a plan, knowing when to get aggressive against, knowing when to be conservative. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.